Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. If you can't take the pain, you don't deserve the gain. So AMC, we ended Friday at 15:01. In this video, we'll share our opinions on going into tomorrow and also the stock market as a whole, guys. So I know a lot of people is invested in many different things other than AMC, and the stock market has been in this strange, weird way lately, guys. A lot of people may think, those words is coming off as a maybe we can't take the pain, but that's not that, guys. I can most definitely sustain and take this pain that's coming our way because it's just another buying opportunity. I'm not scared at all. This thing that happened many times, guys. The dot-com bubble crash happened in 1929. We also had the financial crisis in 2008. We had a stock market crash in 2020. We now crashing again in 2022, guys. And there's many other crashes that I didn't mention because there's so many times that this had happened, guys, that it just takes some getting used to. So with that being said, I do believe crashes will happen more often than not. And now how things is coming around due to the fact that more retail investors, more people of our kind is getting involved in the stock market, and they will crash the market and bring it down to try and scare you away from it, to try and get your money and hold it in green money or put it in the bank to where it ain't doing anything for you to keep you poor. So soon as everyone sell, or the wrong people sell, the right people sell, that they want to get tricked out of their positions, soon as those players are gone, that's when the whole market will go right back up in the frenzy, guys. And it's crazy because the stock market is a psychology game, and me personally, I believe the stock market is ready to turn around very soon, maybe next week, maybe the week after. A lot of people believe we is about to pull back even more and come down harder. I don't believe that. We could possibly come down a little bit more, but I don't believe this thing is really coming down too much more. I believe the reversal is about to happen. And being for the fact that we got big time investors, people selling out millions and millions, a lot. As I seen a lot of people getting fearful and saying they're going to sell everything and saying the market is coming down even further, that's exactly the type of psychology I want to see. I like to take all this homework and put it all together and be my own CEO, guys. And that's exactly what the algorithm of the markets wants to see. As a lot of people selling out of their positions, as I believe the atmosphere is putting out there, that a lot of people is in fear, a lot of people is selling out, putting their cash to the side, because we know cash is a position as well. They just selling out to wait for better opportunities and buy the same stocks back for a lower price as the fear come in. But my thing is, I believe a lot of those people are going to be, timing the market wrongly, meaning they should have sold everything, maybe weeks ago, maybe a month or so ago. You're just now selling out of everything right when I believe the bottom of the market is nearing, meaning you just now selling out a few days ago or on last week or the week prior. You might well, you just sold for a loss for no reason, because you're going to have to buy back maybe in at a price that you didn't think. You're gonna buy it in at a higher price than you wanted to. You thought you were selling out to get it for way less, but it's gonna run up on you very quickly, that you're gonna be like, dang, I should have just averaged down, or however the case may be. But my point is, if you just now selling out, the market has already been tumbling down for a while now. That was a bad decision. You should have been did so a while ago. So I do believe a lot of people will be rushing back into these stocks and assets, as far as securities and assets, because crypto has been coming down as well. So that's what we mean by assets. And as those were coming down in stocks, a lot of people were selling off, but are going to be rushing right back in to reclaim those positions, guys. So with AMC, on the other hand, AMC ended at 15:01 going into tomorrow, guys, due to the fact that we believe the bottom for AMC was going to be the low 13s, low 14s, guys. We hit that bottom. We came down at 13.40. We believe it was about to start running back up at 14.22. We got stopped out at 17 due to the rate hikes coming in, putting fear inside of the market. But we know that was a short-term effect. Long-term effect, we should do well with this situation coming upon us, guys. So we do believe that 13 was the bottom. We can easily go and retest it. We know how the stock tends to operate, and also a good reasoning for us to see that bottom at 13 is due to the fact that we had something that made us fall, that made us vulnerable, and we still fell to our expectations. So that's a good sign, guys, on our end. So come next week, I do believe we should see that reversal. I expected it to come in on last week, but we had a hurdle to come and throw, throw it in our way. So next week, guys, I'm expecting for us to open up Monday with a nice little run back to around $17-18 range, pull back a little bit, and probably end the day at around $17, 17.50, guys. So that's my expectations going into tomorrow. You already know this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, just sharing my thoughts and opinions, guys, around this whole sticky situation. So you already know what to do. Consider joining the family. Post over here every single day. I love you guys. We out, and God bless you. We go.